Alright guys, before we edit this video, I just want to explain to you exactly what we're doing. So as you can see, we're going to be dealing with this video right here, YouTube Conspiracy Theories, and it lists off a bunch of names, which is perfect, because then we can use this video, and then we can make like 5 separate videos from this one single video. So we just have to find a part where she's talking about each of these specific people. I don't even know who these people are, but they're obviously trending since the video's got 350,000 views. So first off, we're going to want to get the timestamp of when she mentions these people. So I did some research, and the guy who's the most popular is this FouseyTube guy, so we're going to make that video first. But obviously, this is just a proof of concept. You guys can make videos on all of these. From this single video, you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, and plus more, so probably like 5 to 6 videos from this single video. But to find out where they talk about this FouseyTube guy, all we have to do is click this 3-bar thing on the bottom and click Open Transcript. Now, this is going to be an automatically generated transcript of everything that she says in the video. So to find out where they mention that guy, we just hit Control F, and then we start typing his name. And then we can just scroll through the transcript, see if anything's highlighted. It looks like it is right there. Perfect. And then as you can see, she says it right here, so then we just click play.
On to our 4th conspiracy theory, which is about FouseyTube.
Perfect. So there's when she mentions that guy. And then we're going to just want to write this timestamp down somewhere, 707 about. So then just write this timestamp down. And then you can just download the video using the method I showed. And then we're going to want to hop on over to the editor.